In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a ChatGPT trigger to perform specific action to collect data. This feature helps you qualify leads. First, you need to make sure you have connected OpenAI in Integration section. Select AI Triggers. Click Add and name a trigger. Specify what does this trigger do. Add set of question to be asked in order to collect data. And you can set a flow to be trigger. Set an output message as well. Click Continue. Make sure to add the trigger in OpenAI block. Let's try it. Thank you for watching the tutorial.